Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Xbox Game Pass for the PC. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, of course. So this is a connection issue error for the Xbox Game Pass for the PC. The next thing you want to do is confirm that your subscription is active. So go into your Microsoft account. So go to Chrome or whatever you enjoy. Go to Microsoft support for Xbox Game Pass. And basically you want to go into the website and sign in with whatever you are, and make sure that you are actually signed into your own account. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go to your profile, sign out and sign back in. The next thing you want to do is, of course, check if for any Windows updates. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but after you've done that, go to settings, go to apps, go to installed apps. Then from here, you do a search for Xbox. You click on the three little dots here. You go to advanced options. You scroll down until you see something called reset. Click on that, and this will fix a surprising amount of problems. Give it a shot. And after you've done that, see if that fixes it. If you've done that and it still isn't working, search for Microsoft services, because Microsoft Gaming, I should say. Sorry, gaming services, I believe it is. Right here, Microsoft Gaming Services. Okay, so basically this is connected to Xbox Game Pass. If this doesn't work, then Xbox Game Pass does not work. Again, click on the three dots, go to advanced options, and click on reset for this as well. Okay, now if that still isn't working, open PowerShell as an administrator. Go to search, type in PowerShell, right click on that, click run as administrator. This cool little box will black up, and type in get a package all users Microsoft.Xbox app. Actually, I have it right here. I'll put this in the video description, so just copy and paste it and press enter. I just did it so it's not working, but it will work for you. Or did I put that in wrong? No, that should work for you. Yes, something like that. And then after you've done that, reset the Xbox Game Pass and see if it worked. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna put this in there as well. But this code right here, get Xbox package gaming services all users, remove Xbox package all users. So this will force Microsoft to uninstall it on a very deep level. And then you need to go to the Microsoft Store to basically reinstall it from here. And then you need to sign on once again. But after you've done that, it should fix it or any issues you have. Okay, if this video helped you, please leave the video a like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much.